Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the freezer drawer slide on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new freezer drawer slide for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Before we get started, note that these steps apply to both the left and right drawer slide. Start by opening the freezer door. Then pull the upper drawer forward and tilt it up and out. Using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove the 2 bolts holding the freezer drawer slide in place. If you need to purchase a new freezer drawer slide, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To install, align the notch on the slide to the tab on the freezer compartment housing. Then reinstall the bolts. To install the upper drawer, align the rear guide wheels on the drawer to the top of the support glide rail in the freezer compartment. That's it for today, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave us a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.